Why carry a bulky toolbox when you can have all the essentials in your pocket? From everyday tasks to outdoor adventures, these EDC Pocket multi-tools are built to handle anything. Designed with high-quality materials, they're tough, lightweight, and easy to carry. Meet the Keyunity KS00, the ultimate carabiner clip multi-tool that's compact, durable, and built for adventure. Easily attach it to your backpack, belt loop, or keychain, always within reach. Bottle opener, need to crack open a cold one? Made from titanium, it's lightweight, rust-resistant, and built to last. Perfect for EDC, camping, hiking, and daily tasks. Ditch bulky tools and upgrade to the Keyunity KS00. Grab yours now. One tool to rule them all? Meet the Union by Toller Tools, the ultimate multi-tool engineered for efficiency. Designed for pros and DIYers alike, the Union packs multiple tools into one sleek, foldable design. Built from high-quality materials, it's strong enough for tough jobs yet compact enough for your pocket. Work smarter, not harder. Tired of carrying a dozen tools? Meet the GOAT Modular Multi-Tool, the ultimate EDC game changer. With its modular design, you can customize it for any job: screwdriver, blade, pry bar, and more. Made from premium-grade materials, it's built to last and feels amazing in hand. Versatile, lightweight, and perfect for everyday carry. Ditch the clutter, one tool does it all. Upgrade your EDC today. Link in bio to grab yours now. Ever wished for a tool that can do it all? Meet the Caliber X Multi-Tool, your ultimate everyday carry companion. From quick fixes to outdoor adventures, the Caliber X has got you covered. Compact and durable, this beast is built for action. Whether you're at home, on the job, or in the wild, it's your go-to gear. Small enough to carry everywhere. Strong enough for anything. Grab your Caliber X multi-tool now and be ready for anything. Why carry bulky accessories when you can have it all in one? Meet the all-in-one titanium foldable EDC phone stand, your perfect everyday companion. Made from premium titanium, it's lightweight, ultra-durable, and built to last. It's not just a phone stand, it's an EDC essential. Compact, foldable, and ready for any setup. Perfect for home, office, or on the go, wherever you need it. Get yours today and stay hands-free in style. Small in size, big in performance. Introducing Nanomax, the titanium EDC pocket knife with an ultra-sharp M390 blade. Crafted from high-grade M390 steel, this blade delivers unmatched sharpness, edge retention, and durability. The lightweight titanium handle ensures strength without the bulk, making it perfect for everyday carry. Whether for work, adventure, or daily tasks, the Nanomax is your go-to blade. Get your Nanomax pocket knife now, precision in your pocket.